How to use Rainbow Vacuum as air purifier. Rainbow Vacuum Cleaner. Rainbow vacuum cleaners are particularly good at reducing air pollution because they use water filtration instead of conventional filters. 3 ways to use Rainbow Vacuum as air purifier. 1. The Rainbow Vacuum can be used as an air purifier, but there are a few things to know first. 2. The Rainbow uses water to trap dirt and dust, so you'll need to change the water frequently. 3. The Rainbow can help purify your air and improve your indoor air quality. Does the Rainbow Vacuum really clean the air? Yes, the Rainbow Vacuum does clean the air. Some facts about Rainbow Vacuum. The Rainbow uses water to filter the air. The Rainbow is also noisy, much louder than other air purifiers on the market.